Hi everyone, and welcome to another WWE SuperCard Season 7 video. Today we've got a bit of a pack opening where we're guaranteed at least an Alexa Bliss or the Fiend in the new pack. We'll go to that in a minute. I just want to show you as well, I finished the heroic Adam Cole. I managed to do it with a day to spare, so I was really pleased with that. I absolutely put a shift in to do the grind to get that card. I've got the momentum boost on it as well, and the swarm stats on it as well, so it's really boosted it up. As you can see, it is really overpowered. I'm really pleased to have that card. We've got a ticket pack to go at. I just want to show you a quick look at the Team Road to Glory so far. Currently on Natalia. I'm on 364 points at the minute, so I've been doing the grind. The team's doing really well, so we should get that finished quite soon. Really pleased with that. We've got a grand challenge reward pack to do. We're going to do that first before we do the pack opening. Let me know how you guys got on with War Games as well. If you like the event, if you didn't play it, why didn't you play it? If you didn't like the look of it, or if there just wasn't anything there that you wanted to. For the guys that did play it, let me know your thoughts on it. I think it's not one of my favourite events, I have to be honest. I do prefer like Road to Glory, Ring Domination. Ring Domination is one of my favourites, to be fair. But like I say, let me know what you guys think. What's your favourite event? If you've had any tier pulls recently as well, I'll show you my recent ones in a moment. Let's do this grand challenge reward pack then. Hopefully we get something decent. We haven't had anything for a little while, but hopefully things will change. Let's see them. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, there's 2 biomechanicals there. So we've definitely got 1 biomechanical. 2 biomechanicals. Unfortunately, if they're not, well, one is a female. Hopefully it's something I can use. Alexa Bliss, brilliant. That's a pro, much needed that. And Jey Uso, fantastic. Brilliant, so pleased with that. Decent ticket pack. Let me know how you guys are getting on with PvP as well. I managed to keep me 5 momentum slots. A bit behind compared to where I was last time, but War Games did take up a lot of time. Money in the Bank, I hadn't had time to play much of that either recently, so I need to get playing that. Let's just show you my recent pulls then on Behemoth. I got Io Shirai, well needed female. Lacey Evans, I think I showed that in the last video. We also got Nia Jax. She was my last pull, sorry. As you can tell, my female look is carrying on from when I was last playing it in WrestleMania 36 properly. Really pleased that I'm getting the females. Also managed to get a couple of Christmas cards off the board as well since the last video. I got Christian, Daniel Bryan, and Killian Dane as well. Those 3 are off the board. And the last one I got was the Goon, who makes his debut in SuperCard. Really pleased with those that I've been getting recently. Let's get into the most important part of the video then, the Snowstorm Packs. Now in these packs, I think they roughly cost about 9,000 credits to go all the way through, and you are guaranteed at least the Fiend Behemoth or the Alexa Bliss Behemoth card. Totally not bothered which one I get, as I want both. either way, it's going to be a surprise. It's going to be brilliant to get him. Let's open them, see what we get in these packs. I think there is also the last pack, which is a freebie. I think that you also get a Season 7 Christmas card in that as well, which is like the freebie before you go for the Fiend or the Alexa Bliss. Let's find out what we get in these packs then. First of all, Cataclysm to Behemoth. Very, very little chance in getting one of the top cards, but who knows, we'll see. We're here to find out. First pack then, Roman Reigns Nightmare. Second pack starts from Nightmare up to Behemoth. Primal. Third pack is a freebie. This is one of the Christmas Nightmare to Vanguards. Ideally, I'd like a Mark Henry Nightmare so I can pro that in the catalogue. Okay, Shawn Michaels. This one is Nightmare to Behemoth again. I think it's Nightmare. Yeah, Nightmare to Behemoth. Let's see if the pack look increases on this one. Elemental. Dolph Ziggler. I think that, yep, that's a new card, I'm pretty sure. Next one then. Chance of a female from Vanguard to Behemoth. These have been really good packs to me before when I've done, I can't remember what the name of them were. I think it was in the WrestleMania 36 tier that I did the pack openings. If you want to look back at them videos, I had some really good luck in those. Hopefully we'll get some in this one. Let's see what we get. Roddy Piper and Angelo Dawkins. This one's a freebie again. Nightmare to Vanguard. There we go, Mark Henry, brilliant. I could finally get rid of that pro out of the catalogue. This one is WrestleMania 36 to Behemoth. 5% chance of a Behemoth, 8% on the Swarm, 13% on Biomechanical, and there's the rest. So let's see, hopefully we might get something nice. Fingers crossed. Biomechanical, okay. Kalisto. Still not complaining, it's a Season 7 card, it's a single as well. Kalisto them. Next one, again, let's see. 7% chance, 12% and 19% of Season 7 card. Let's hope we get something good. These packs are brilliant. If you do have the credit store and you're a new player, I'd definitely recommend doing this run of these packs. We've got a Biomechanical, Robert Roode. I've already pro'd that one. Here we go. So yes, Season 7 guaranteed Christmas card then. I have Behemoth, Swarm, Biomechanical. Be nice to get a pro of one I've already got. If not, Liv Morgan or any of the females would be brilliant. I prefer to get a female if I can, because they'd be more useful to me at this point. But let's find out. Boom. Okay, Rey Mysterio, brilliant. Really good image of that as well. It's a nice throwback one from when he was in his younger days. Won't complain at that one at all. Now here is the moment of truth. Chance of the Alexa Bliss or the Fiend. I'm going to guess I'm going to get the Fiend. Like I say, I'm not bothered which one I get because I really want both of these cards. I absolutely love the Fiend. If I do get the Fiend, he's going to be my new set champ. let's find out which one we get. Moments of truth then. 3, 2, 1, boom. The Fiend. There we go. Happy days. Brilliant. Really, really pleased with that one. Fantastic. Hurt, heal. The Fiend is here. Brilliant. Oh, you can actually go through them again. I don't actually have enough credits at this moment to do another rerun. But yeah, can't complain with those packs at all, really. Would have liked a bit more luck, but wasn't meant to be. But at the end of the day, I've got the Fiend, I've got the guy that I wanted. Let's just go to set champ. There he is. And that is the new set champ. Fantastic. If you guys do any of these packs, let me know which one you get. And if you have had any new tier pulls or anything, let me know what tiers you're on, what pulls you're getting, if you're enjoying the game. So until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Appreciate all the support. Loving that people are subscribing to the channel. Please do subscribe if you are new. Please give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. And there'll be plenty more to come in the future. Thank you again, and until next time, take care and peace out. Thank you.